Today I'm going to be hooking you up with a dance challenge called Uyamazi. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified every time I drop a new video. Anyways, without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. So this is your right because this is my right, and this is your left because this is my left. This video is mirrored. Anyways, the first move, ladies and gentlemen, is a zap. I know you know how to do a zap, but anyways, for those that don't know how to do a zap is going to be like toe, and then you're gonna go toe twist, and then you're gonna move back with your left. So you're gonna do that, but at the same time, right? So you're standing like this, and then the moment you twist, that's the moment when this leg is gonna go back like this, right? Let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. There. Did you get it? That's how you do the zip, and then the zip continues. I have also like a tutorial on the zip if you wanna learn the zip only. Yeah, it's like a popular move in South Africa right now. So toe and then back. There, toe, back, but at the same time. We'll try 5, 6, 7, and you go ta, ta, ta. Did you get it? That's how you do the zip. So our first move is gonna be a zip, but on the left. So it's going to be there. Did you get it? It's gonna be on the left. So you're gonna be toe, and then you're gonna zip this side. Did you get it? And then we're gonna also put some hand movement. You're gonna just point out like this. Yeah? So you're gonna go ka, ka, ka. Get it? Ta, ta, ta. One more time. 5, 6, 7. There you go. Ta, ta, ta. That's kind of the first step of our piece today. So our second step, you're gonna do the zip. Yeah, the zip. Remember when you're doing the zip, you're gonna do this ka, ka, ka. Now you're not gonna step there. You're gonna step there, and then you're gonna bring this one here. Did you get it? This is still the first step. So we're gonna go ka, ka, ta, ta, ta. Did you get it? Again in 5, 6, 7, 8. We go ta, 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 ta. Again 5, 6, 7. There we go. Ta, 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 ta. Should we get it? Should we go into the next step? Let's go into the next step in 5. We'll do the first step first before we move on to the next step in 5, 6, 7, 8. We go ka, 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 ka. And then our second step is going to be jump. You want to jump with your right leg over your right leg, over your left leg, and then your left leg is going to go back. So you're going to do this. Did you get it? Simple. Like that. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Simple, yeah? Let's try one more time. There. There. So we're here, and we're going to go. Did you get it? So you're going to go ta, 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 ta. Simple. Step by step, you're gonna go ta, and then you're gonna come back, and you're gonna step there, and then you're gonna twist on your toe. Twist on your toe, and then when you come back, you're gonna move, and then you're gonna hit there, and then you're gonna come back and do a skomota. But you're gonna use your waist, yeah? You see this? Your waist is gonna go in circles, yeah? And then you're gonna go circles, circle, and then you're gonna do the head movement. That's how you do your, I've taught this before again, but yeah, that's how you're gonna do it. So you're gonna go ka, 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 ta, 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 ta. 1, 2, 3, 4 head movements. Let's try from the top, slowly. We're gonna try it slowly in 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ka, 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 ka. Ka, ka, ta, 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 ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try it faster. In 5, 6, 7, 8. But the man is now we're going to our third movement. Our third movement is simple. It's a groove. So this is how I want to do it. You're gonna do with your heels, and then your legs are gonna be going inside. And then also try and crouch. Yeah. So you do this. That's how you do it. Yeah. And then also try and move your waist when you do it. So, and then your hands are supposed to be like this. This is how you do the move, because it's a groove, yeah. And then try and move your waist, yeah. And then this time we're not gonna be using our hands. We're gonna be using one hand. One hand is here, and then the other one is gonna be hitting on the side there. Did you get it? This is step 3 in 5, 6, 7. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Did you get it? We'll try from the top until here in 5, 6, 8, 10. We go 1, ta ta ta, and then we go ta 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 ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ka ta ta, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 ta. You know this one. This yeah. I taught you again. Taught you if you've been watching the channel. But yeah, that's how you do it. From 4 here, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you get it? Try one more time. 5, 6, 7. There you go. The mazakabe. And then you're gonna do step 4. Yeah, we're moving fast. We're going to step 4 now, which is the last step. You're gonna go ka again. This one we did it on the first time. We did it on the first step. You move it to the 4th step. So you go ka ta ta ta, and then you come here and then you zap. Remember I taught you the zap? If you weren't paying attention, it's the toe, and then you move out left going back, and then toe twisting inside. So together it looks like this. Did you get it? Okay, so we do 4 again in 5, 6, 7, 8. We go ka da. We go 1, 2, 3. Did you get it? Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 4. We go 1 ta ta ta. Back we go 1, 2, 3. So after the zap, we're gonna do just the last move, yeah. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna go ka. Did you get it? So 3 zap in 5, 6, 7. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Step ka, and then you step this side on your left. But you step here. Did you get it? Again, zap 5, 6, 7. There you go. 1, 2, 3, and then you step there, hit here, put your leg down, and then you step this side. Very simple. Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3. Step, step. Right? And then we go back again to our groove. This one. But now we're facing this side. This groove. Legs. There. But we're moving this side. And then now our hands, both our hands are like this. Yeah? And then try and enjoy it. If you wanna hit, you can always hit. Yeah? That's how we're going to do it. We're going to do it from the top until here. In 5, 6, 7. Mazu sakape. Ka. Mazu sakata. Ta. Mazu sakata. Mazu sakata. Mazu sakata. Mazu sakata. Mazu sakata. 1, 2, 3. Mazu. Mazu sakata. Alright guys, we're gonna try with these. Yeah?
Alright
Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified every time I drop a new video. Anyways, have a great weekend. Peace.